welcome to AfriHost Answers. Today I'm going to show you how to log into CWP or CentOS web panel. Open your internet browser. Navigate to clientzone.afrihost.com. Log in with your username and password. Select the hosting tab. Select the domain you want to access. Click Website Manager and then click Log into Website Manager. Log in with your CWP username and password. These login details were sent to you when you registered the domain, which will be with your FTP details. You have successfully logged into CWP.
Hi, John, CEO of AfriHost here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found it useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. And if you want more how-tos and tutorials like this one, please visit answers.afrihost.com.